Hi there. In this video, we're checking out these rechargeable motion sensor under the cabinet lights by ZIOEYIUE. I picked up the 10-inch 3-pack version. Opening it up, we have the 3 lights, a charging cable, and a manual. One of the lights was actually already on. Talk about being ready to go. Anyway, let's check out the manual. It's very straightforward. It looks like the motion sensor can work both day and night, depending on your preference. Now, here is the charging cable. It's a USB Type-C splitter. This means you can charge all 3 devices at the same time with this single cable. While that's a cool feature, I did find that it takes a bit longer to charge when you're using all 3 LEDs at once. As for the lights themselves, there's a sticker on the front with instructions again. It really is foolproof. On the back, we've got 2 adhesive metal plates. These plates are attached to the magnets embedded inside the light. To mount it, you just peel off the adhesive while it's attached to the light and stick it exactly where you want it to be. Alternatively, if the surface you're using is already metal, you don't even need these plates because the magnets are built right in. Before I show you the lights in action, let's charge it up. The USB Type-C port is on the side, so let's use the included splitter cable. As you can see, while it charges, it actually displays the current battery level. Now let's check the operation. I'm going to turn it to always on. When we tap this button, it cycles through the 3 different color temperatures. It looks great and feels like high-quality hardware. When you hold down the same power button, the light can be dimmed or brightened. So you can set the intensity exactly where you want it. Now for the motion sensor. We have 2 options. One for all day and one for night only. The dark setting only triggers when it's completely dark. Let's test it. As you can see, it only comes on once I turn off the room lights. Overall, these lights are great. They feel high quality and the battery life is impressive. I haven't had to charge them since I first got them. I've actually been using one in my fridge because my bulb blew out for the second time, and this has been a fantastic alternative. It kicks on as soon as I open the door and it works perfectly. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.